I promise you, if you understand and master this exercise, you can take consistent profit from the market, and I'll show you how. So once you log into your BYBIT, this is your BYBIT, this is the home page. Okay, so you're going to see more, so click on it. It will take you to the demo trading version where you can trade with screen or virtual money, so you cannot withdraw it, you just place trade with it. Okay, so this is a chart, so let's select a pair. Let's say we want to search for BTC, so you click there and you search BTC. That is it. So you click on BTC. Okay, so now this is the chart, and right here you see the time frame. So this is 4 hour. If you click the other ones, you see this is 1 day, this is 1 hour, this is 15 minutes. So each of those time frames show you that each of this candle is 15 minutes. So we're going to use 15 minutes for this exercise. So let's go to the settings. We're going to do some settings right here. Okay, all right, so once you click on that settings button, you see indicators, so click on indicator. So the indicator we want to use is moving average exponential. So this moving average exponential is the line you see on your chart. So if you select so many of these, you're going to see so many of them on the chart. So we are not going to be using so many, we just want to use one. So we're going to remove all of this by checking this box. So we are left with just one. So now here's where we change the number. We select the number we want to use, because the number we use determine what the line is going to do. So it is going to give us the average of the last 21 candles for this example. Okay, so now let's say we want to use this one because of the green color. So we will type 21 here and we click on confirm, and we'll go back to our chart. All right, now you can see the green line across the chart. So that green line now is going to be what we're going to be using for our entry. Okay, so when price is above it, it means that we're going to long, that is, we're going to buy. When price is below it, we're going to sell or short. Okay, so right now on this BTC, price is above it, so we will long, that is, we'll click on long. Okay, so you can see the current price. If you trace it to the right, you see the green line. Now where we put this red line now is where the EMA line is, and it's currently at 36,442, and you can see the current price is above it, so which means that we are going to long, we're going to buy. So you can see the current price 36,468, so price is above it, so we're going to long. So we're going to just place our order and wait. All right, so here we enter the price we got from the chart, that is the 436,442. Then we set our leverage. So we always recommend 3x for new traders to help you to learn how to, first of all, survive in the market before you can then grow and then make high profits. Okay, so that is done. So the next thing, we're going to enter the amount. So we're going to change this to USDT so that we can easily type the exact amount we want to use per trade. So because this is a virtual account, there's over 136,000 in the account, so this is just virtual money, so we can use big amount like 1,000 USDT. So but depending on the amount you have as capital when you start trading, that will determine how much you use. So for this, we're just going to use 1,000. So here we set the stop loss, and we set the take profit. So if you see very well, you can see the stop loss price. If you look down here, you're going to see the amount you're going to lose if the trade goes against you.
What?
So if you look down here, so we want to use exactly 100. We don't want to lose more than 100 per trade. Okay, so because in this exercise you're going to take 20 trades, and we are not going to lose more than $100 per trade. So that will be a total of 20 times 100, that is 2,000. So that is if all the trade becomes a loser. So we're going to make sure that the amount we enter here must not be more than 100. We are not going to lose more than $100 if this trade go against us. This is how to be a consistently successful trader when you predetermine the exact amount you will lose if the trade goes against you. Most new traders, they don't know, they just enter trade, they don't know how much they're going to lose, and they might just get liquidated, that is, lose all their money. Okay, so that is what we're doing here. So the next thing is to set the take profit target. So we are also going to target to earn $100 if the trade goes in our favor. So we set for $100 too. So we enter the amount that will give us $100. Okay, so once that is done, we click on confirm and we are good to go. So then we click on buy or long. So you look at the details there. If everything is correct, you click on confirm, and that is it. You have placed your order. So you can see the order right there. So we are going to do more. So let's search for another pair. So let's say we want to search for the YDX. Yeah, I love the YDX. So let's search for the YDX. So then we'll go to the chart section. You can see the chart there. So we're going to use the green line, that is the EMA, to determine our entry price. So you can see it right there. So you can see the current price is above the EMA, that is the line. So meaning we're going to buy or we're going to long. Okay, so let's go over to the section where we set our leverage 3x, and then we enter the amount we want to use, and we set our stop loss. Make sure it's not more than $100. If you can get this correctly, accurately every time you place trade, you will be a consistently successful trader. I can guarantee you that. When you always set up your stop loss to the exact amount that you have accepted, the exact amount that you're at peace with losing, you will be a consistently successful trader. So we've done that for the YDX. Let's search for another pair that will allow us to maybe take a short order as example. So we're taking BNB. So if you look at this trade, you can see the line there. The current price is below the EMA, so meaning we're going to short or sell. Okay, so we can see the entry price right there. So that will be our entry price, and when price comes to that, it's going to pick up the order and the trade will start running. So let's go to where we'll set the order. So 3x leverage, always 3x leverage as a beginner. When you become a pro, you can increase. So now our entry price 234.1, then the amount we're using Now in this case we are shorting, so you can see there, you click on short, very important, click on short, then we set our stop loss. Always never more than the amount you are willing to lose, the amount you accept to lose. So in this case we are using $100, so for the stop loss 100, for the take profits $100. So never fail to set your take profit and stop loss. Then you click on sell or short, you check the details to confirm that everything is correct. The goal is to execute your trade accurately. So you can see the 3 orders we've placed right here, the BTC, the YDX and BNB. So you can see the BNB is short, the BTC and the YDX long. Okay, so this will be done for the next 20 trades. So there are so many pairs to trade, so we are doing this for 20 pairs. Always setting your stop loss to no more than $100. Okay, so let's check the trades we've placed already. So you can see BTC is now running and it's already in profit. BNB also running. Now you can see the 3 orders we placed, the YDX, BNB and BTC. So 2 are currently running, 1 in profit, 1 in loss, and that is it. So after some hours, you can see 3 of them are now running and 3 of them are in profit.